Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some.
This is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video. A video. Y'all seen the rest. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time, guys. Hey, I just want to come on here quickly. And I don't have anything new. None of it yet. Because I haven't been buying too many makeup palettes and stuff like that. I haven't. I've been doing, of course, y'all already see on my channel, but I've been doing more organization. So, but not saying I'm not going to buy any more palettes, y'all. But I'm trying to utilize what I have. And this right here is the Bright palette that is come from Beauty Bay. Yeah, Beauty Bay. I had bought this a long time ago. So I just wanted to utilize it and I did this look right here. I hope y'all like it. Y'all see I got the scarf on, y'all. I just didn't feel like doing my hair this morning. But yeah, I'm not going to keep y'all guys long. All I did in this video, I did the eyes only. I did not do a foundation routine because I usually do the same thing over and over and over and over. And I know y'all sick of looking at me do the same thing over and over and over and over. But I had, of course I did. I used the Maybelline one. I talked about, y'all gonna have a video before this video talking about this foundation. I guess it's the Superstay activewear, and it's supposed to be for up to, y'all, let me get my glasses. Hey guys, on the bottle it does says up to 30 hours, so that's what the claim is. So I tried it, but I ain't waiting for no 30 hours. Mine didn't last probably about 3 or 4 hours, but I do like the foundation. So I didn't, of course y'all know I didn't put that video up, okay, but I will show y'all the review. Alright guys, on to the video. Ain't no 30 hours, but if they saying that, I'll put in the screen whether yes or no. But I ain't even gonna claim, don't quote me. I'm just trying to understand what this meant. So I'll look it up. But guys, I just want to tell y'all this is the look. This is it. That's it. And y'all, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say. Oh, but yeah, I do need to put on me some lip gloss, because I just want to put on some lip gloss today. Let me see where let me see. Let's see if I put this on. Is this like a, yeah, it's like a lip gloss. A lipstick with some gloss in it. Yeah, this is the Goddess thing I got from Ross. It came in a whole set, and this one is called, let me see the name of it. It is called Dreamy. So this is what I got on. I like it. I like it. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll see y'all in another video. And when there's an event, I got some content. I'll see y'all what? In another video. Love you guys. Bye.
I've never been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? myself cry and say you won't be, say you won't be mad. Say you know what I feel. I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Oh, say you want me back.
Hey guys, I just want to jump on here and to say something to y'all right quick. I know I haven't been putting up any makeup videos, so I got a lot in the vault, so I'm going to try to put some out for y'all guys as much as I'm putting the vlogs. I'm just into the vlogs right now, but I haven't forgot about where my first love came from for my makeup. So I just want to throw this out here for y'all guys. And I hope y'all guys enjoy. Just engage in the comment section and just talk to me and let me know how you feel. Alright guys, on to the video.
Like 100 years ago, life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you laughed in the pouring rain. Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there. It was you and me. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? Those
Hey guys, right here as you see, I'm cleaning up the area. That's what I normally do. Clean up and just go back in and fill in the areas that I need to be filled in. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a short one because like I said in the beginning, I did not do my foundation this time, okay? But if y'all want me to, I can find a video with me doing everything, okay? All right.
Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart. When you came around, I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my trouble.